Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get rock candy in Stardew Valley. Rock candy is an incredibly powerful item, boosting all your stats by 2 points for 3 minutes and 37 seconds. This makes it invaluable for tackling tough challenges like the Skull Cavern. Knowing how to consistently acquire it can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. The most reliable way to obtain rock candy is by visiting the desert trader. She will exchange 1 rock candy for 3 prismatic shards. While this requires some effort to gather the shards, it's a guaranteed method. You might also find rock candy as a very rare drop from monsters in the Skull Cavern, but this is less consistent. When farming for prismatic shards in the Skull Cavern, preparation is key. Always check your daily luck and aim for a very happy day. Bring a stack of bombs, like mega bombs, to quickly descend floors and break rocks. Don't forget powerful healing food, such as spicy eel or pumpkin soup, to keep your health and energy high during your descent. The Desert Trader is your best friend for rock candy. She's open daily from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. in the Calico Desert, ready to trade your prismatic shards. Remember, gathering those shards is the main hurdle, so focus on deep dives in the Skull Cavern. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.